I'm gonna start working on level transitions. We got a lot of stuff working today, and it looks pretty cool. Yep, save it. Doesn't seem like much here, but that's because this is a dark system. Oh, we found a star. This is another really dark system. They're not all dark. Oh wait, hang on. I wanted to see something. But I'll do it on the z-axis. There we go. That's not a dark system. Snap. Got it. I need some so next up I need level transitions to re-randomize all this shit, and I need without leaving the game, and I need like some trancy spacey low-key music. Gotta change this. That's not, doesn't look good. Gotta fix it. That's okay. This. Nebula details. Warm or cool. Oh yeah, I was gonna do this. If I collapse this. No, you can't. Alright, fine. Do 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 do. So I guess this would probably be some fall off and some brightness. Lose some fall off with some brightness, or maybe it's a shame. Like, it's so close to tiled properly, but bleh. I could blur it after render, maybe. I don't know how to do that. This. Oh, I was actually in here, and I was gonna replace. In here, we have these two, and we have this, but we can do this, this, this. And then it doesn't work like that. Okay, that's fine. You need 2 of these. Oh my god, the wires. Get rid of this. But I'm going to be able to replace all this, so it's not actually that bad. So if true, then we want to break all the links. Break all pins. Break all pins. Break all pins. Break all pins. Okay. So if we roll a let's see. Wait, I have a. Where'd my beer go? Over here. Addition, true, false, warm background colors. So if it's warm, we set 2 colors with this. And if it's cool, we set 2 colors with this. And then all of it, I think this is disconnected now. Right? I think so. No. Wait. Comes through here. It either sets blend color 1 and 2 to cool or warm colors. Then it comes down here and gets the calculated shell color from the lerp of these in a random. Okay. Go here, break pin links. Go here. Break all pin links, go. No. Wrong, all wrong. Here, break all pin links. Remove execution pin. Save. Compile. It's broken. String pin. Sure. We got one of those right here. Okay, so now our stars should be a little bit more, oh, I need to fix this nebula before I leave this system, because I'll never be able to see this one again. I know what I can do. It's a shame about the tiling. It's so close. It's cool looking. It just needs like a blur or something to be fine. I mean, it's probably not the end of the world, even as it is, but it bugs me. Go. So this has the potential to change every single star to something else. I mean, it doesn't have the potential. It actually does do that. So now I shouldn't be able to roll cool and warm colors. I would kind of like to know what colors that rolled. blue and yellow is not how that's supposed to work. um, oh. Would that have done it? Maybe. I'm a little surprised that it's a warm and a cool color because I just explicitly disallowed that. Oh. Oh. One. Let's see. that's... Oh, shit. That's fucked. So, I guess this means I'm gonna have to calculate... Okay, so that's why I have the 2 here. What output did I get from the star check? '19, 2015. It's either 15 or 16. Not 15. Oops. I guess I gotta get core color. Yeah, okay. I guess this makes sense anyway. Okay, carry in, carry in. I think this actually has to come outside. Ah, shit. The crash to desktop. Curses. Blast. Starfield details and starting slider. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. So, just to show you what I'm working with. Now the stars will be either warm or cool colors. You get clashes when you mix them. Because like complements don't blend well with each other with just a simple warp. Okay, so we have our star system universe. I haven't put the planets back in yet. But before I do that, just because I feel like it's going to be the simplest way, I want to get like some simple warping in place. I want to figure out level transitions. So it's time to crack open a book on a new research chapter. UE5 level transitions. UE5 load screen and reinitialize level.
Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last tutorial we had finished up by creating our first big condition, which ended with our player going under a ball of fire. Not exactly how we wanted the level to end, but that's what we're going to fix today. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can create a level and give your player a whole world to explore. Alright, so we're going to start by right-clicking here in the content browser. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but I've been making these folders for every little asset we've been creating. And we're going to make another one right up here. So when you right click all the way up at the top, it says new folder. And this is going to hold our levels. And this just keeps your blueprints organized so you don't have them flying all over the place and they're easier to find. We're going to double click here in levels. And the first thing I'm going to want to do is save this current map that we have. So we can just go up here to File and say Save Current As. All this first level. I'm going to make sure I put this in the folder that we just created. Save. See, now we have this little thing that says, this little orange blueprint asset that says first level. Now we're going to use right click in here and create a new level. Second level. We're going to double click on our second level.
I'm gonna need a new ship soon. I want one with actual thrusters. I can put all these little
And you see it's completely black.
thruster engines into so that I can see some like really cool shit. And then
So I'm going to go over here to lights, and I'm just going to put in a directional light right here, drag it anywhere. Then I'm going to go to basic, drag it to cube, and just set this to 0. Scale this up.
this is I want to reinitialize the same level with different values. Let's see how to restart loading screens. reinitialize level with different CUE5. Yep.
Yo, what is good, dev guys? Welcome back.
Well, I'm gonna
This is
actually have, am I
Last
gonna have to
Man
do
Signal.
async load, make your players wait like a boss, loading screen, seems travel. Let's go. It's a half-hour video.
But it's actually pretty
But
cool
how
to
long
get
is it if I turn the playback speed up to
Okay, so
1.5?
we'll be talking today about how to make smooth transitions inside of Unreal Engine 4. We will cover
Hello,
different
and
approaches
welcome
for both
to
solo player
this
games and
video.
multiplayer games.
Jesus.
So I'm French, but actually I've been living in Japan for
I
more
was
than 6 years now.
just checking.
I work at Epic Games Japan, and before joining Epic, I shipped a couple
I
of
don't
Unreal Engine
care.
games. I worked on. So on my spare time, I've been learning assembly because I was not listening in school. I was playing Monster Hunter on my PSP, so I kind of regret it now. But yeah. So actually, if you're very
Alright,
serious about
I gotta
how
pause
you're
the
fetching your
music for a
instructions to your
minute.
CPU, I would highly recommend giving assembly at least to understand it. It will really help you to debug things on very low level. And on my spare time, I'm also playing Kingdom Hearts 3, which has actually been made using Unreal Engine 4 in Japan by Square Enix. It's an amazing. Let's get started. What you will learn in this session? Well, first of all, we'll be talking about something I really love about Unreal Engine, which are modules. Everybody should use modules. We will also talking a lot about threads, about multi-thread, about how it's being handled inside of. But at the same time, what this session is not. It's
I
definitely
know how
to
fucking...
keep things very, very simple.
Okay,
Same
come
time.
on, come on, dude.
I think the best example of it is when you're using the common stat unit and when you get your top. So now about loading screens. Well,
It doesn't
what is
have...
a loading screen?
It
First,
could
I
be
would say
long,
that it's short.
but it
Then
has
not
to be
short.
a game if it's long.
I don't know about you, but when you're in a game, there's like a hint displayed in a sentence, and actually you can't even read of a newly created thread to make it a loading screen, and do all of the level load operation on the main thread.
Level load.
But do this in background, and when it's done, you can bring back the main thread to a foreground, and do all of the other. So yeah, we'll be talking a lot about Action RPG. It's actually a great example for this kind of threading logic that we're going to create from now on. This is, I think, the best way. One call to a blueprint callable C++
Load
function,
game
which is
level,
called
restart
loading
game
screen,
level.
which is the one we're going to make.
Where I do that, though. Is it in the game mode? Why you do this?
So it's very easy. It's just basically one call to make before you open level. So nobody can miss that, right? And just modules, they have a few merits. So first of all, with a folder, right? It's about how modules are being loaded inside of the engine. So which is the game one, is actually the best. So how to edit that? You just open the uproject file with your favorite text edit tool. Mine is Notepad++. Obviously, and you just change default to preloading screen, and you're good to go. So yeah, nothing fancy. So now we'll be talking about the code itself. Only 3 functions: a get, a start, and a stop. You can really make things easier than that, right? And boom, done. The implementation now. So the implementation of the interface child. So I won't look at the 3 functions. We actually will be talking. We'll be doing that later. But just see that we're only like really fitting some argument. The editor itself is made using Slate. Nowadays, on the recent releases, we're pushing. This is what the widget will look like for Slate. You can look this kind of thing. Get a 9 threads array, and this will be a runnable. Let go and be garbage collected. So this is what like a typical server-client relationship looks like. So a server wants to move to the new map. So it will send a signal to every client saying trouble. So which is the regular way. Is that it's called BU as trouble. just you have to wait for 20 seconds for every client to move to the new map. You should at least, and then you got your
This is a little much for what I like. I would just want to see, like, I don't need the fucking. I don't need the, like, super deep dive.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a startup intro screen and a loading screen. So if I click play, it will first show me this MP4 video of the Unreal Engine. So this can be changed to your Game Studios logo. And if I change levels, it'll show me this loading screen, and I can customize the text inside here, and also the loading screen widget icon. And every time I transition the level, it will show me a different loading screen background image. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Unreal Engine Marketplace and look for the Async loading screen. This is a free plugin which we'll be using to make our loading screen. Once here, you want to go to Install Engine and install it to the current version of Unreal Engine that you're using.
Oh, it's expensive though. Holy shit. I'm not fucking spending $50 on your shit. There's a free one right here. Why would I do that? Yeah, just give it to me. Changelog, document tutorial. Okay, this is perfect. Documentation, not fucking... This is great. Loading screen, project settings, automatically add a loading screen whenever you open a new level without level streaming. So that's basically what I need to do. Can I have, like, arguments that I pass to the level when I load it? I wonder. But here's this. Install to engine. Yep. I will probably have to restart, I'm assuming. Are you looking for a loading system without level streaming? If yes, you already found gold. Normally you use level streaming for loading screens to do the user wizard, which is destroyed at level transition. Level loading runs in the main thread. It blocks any other. You can't use a different game mode. Player sometimes. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm probably gonna save this, close it. Downsize. This is gonna take fucking C++ by the time I'm done, I think. Because I want to load a simple game. Or, like, basically, I want to instant transition to... I want to have one scene prepared to instant transition to as, like, a warp tunnel. Let's go. Async loading screen. Let's fucking go. Okay. How does go? How does work? Call this function to begin play. Okay, that makes sense. Plugins project. Edit. Project settings game. Async loading screen. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. This is great. Okay. Game instance blueprint class. Select it in the project settings under maps and modes. Cast to it from your main menu level and store your values there. Then you can repeat the casting at every level you want to retrieve. Oh my goodness. Well, this is interesting. It's ways to persist data across levels. Change levels with updated seed. UV5. Change load levels.
Hi guys, I created this fancy little level right here. So my game.
So, do I need 2 levels? Is that what's going on here? How do I pass variables? Current level space. Could I maybe wrap this whole thing, the exponential height fog in the solar system, I mean, I guess I could spawn a solar system on an action, maybe? I'm still gonna need a level load. Project settings. It's not showing the loading screen. Why is this so fucking small? Okay, better. Doesn't work. Alright, more tutorials. I don't understand it yet.
It needs more levels now. How do I do that? I'm here right in the third person example map and I have this one open. Right in the content, third person blueprint, maps. This is my level I'm currently at. So, how do you add new levels? Simply go to File, New Level, then choose one of those. For this example, I choose Time of Day. Then I will save this one, Ctrl S. And I look into the map where my levels is, or you can create a new folder for that, and I name this, for example, level 2. So, now this one is saved, and I can open my level 2, and my level I got right here. So, how do I switch between these levels? For example, you can make a trigger, so when your player collides with a trigger, you go to another map. Let me show you. Right click, go to Blueprint class, actor, and let's name this one trigger, for example. Open it up. Then let's add a plane. Let's make it bigger. And let's also add a box collision, because this will check if your player collides with it. For example, like this. Have your box collision selected, click compile, and look here for on component begin overlap. Click the plus icon, drag off it, and then type in level. You can open level by name or by object reference. I will show both. Let's show this one first.
Okay, that's more simple than I thought it was going to be. Wait, but where? Hang on. Where is he? Trigger event graph. Default scene root. Oh. Oh. He's in the like. Okay, I see. So you could just do it anywhere. Alright, well, solar system is the place then. That's my like master level blueprint. How do I pass it things? UE5 pass arguments to level load. Game instance. Okay, so game instance is one way that I could probably do it, but is that the right way to do it? Surely I could just pass it in. Passing the option stack. Option string. A game mode has a string member called the option string, which you can read during your game mode initialization. Huh. What's the biggest the X can be here? Ooh, it's a double. What? Are they storing it as a string? No, it's a double. Okay. That might work. Okay, let's keep watching.
By name. So we name this one level 2. If you use capital, use
Passing multiple values to open level by name UE5. Two options. Oh, I guess I should probably fix that nebula issue, huh? This is the system, right? It has like a seam? Or did I move? I might have moved. Oh well, whenever I come on the next seam, I'll fix it. Okay. Levels window. Windows menu. Window. Levels. What does solar system do? I think solar system does it all right. You got the height fog, you got the player start, and you got the solar system. And that's it. So if I do this, and I go, and I do this, and I go to the level graph, and I'll begin play, actor from class, solar system, may transform. This is all fine. Does this work? Like, is that how I'm supposed to be? It seems like it works. Do I get stars? It seems like I get stars. It seems like that just worked. So like suspicious because it feels like it's too easy. And then how do I... if I generate an event, generate a custom event. Right clicking, choosing add custom event, details pane. No, not like this. Okay, I did that. Added input parameters. Bam. So how can I we'll just do like key for now. File, project settings, game engine input. Shift system test. It's gonna be a healthy let's do equals how about numpad 0, num 0, some test. All right, now this. On release, and we will just like we'll literally do like real randoms here. Random in range. Negative 250 1 2 3 1 2 3. Positive 250 1 2 3 1 2 3. Plug plug plug. No, it's not gonna work like that. Target system X. Rename. Target system 1. Target system C. Do. Maybe I don't even have to change levels. I mean, that would kind of be ideal, right? Like, just regenerate the solar system. Okay, so now we should just be able to hit 0 and load a new system. Does that work? Surely it doesn't work. There's no way, right? No way it can be this simple. I fully expected to go fucking apeshit. It's like close, actually. It's not doing the star, and I think I know why. Because it doesn't spawn it right. Everything has to be spawned at runtime. I think the star is baked in to the initializer. No, it's actually not. And string. Code complete. Oh shit, it worked. Oh shit, it fucking worked. No way it worked on the first try, dude. There's no way. It didn't work that time though. It's having trouble with turning the star off if it's already on, it seems like. See, it's weird, because, like, sometimes it does regenerate the star properly. Do I have to wait? Yeah, so we can't do it quite like that. This is cool. I gotta figure out the star thing, but that's... seems like it's on the horizon now. And the fact that I can do it without changing the level is mwah, chef's kiss, because that lets me do all kinds of crazy shit, all in the same level. The same one level is a universe, basically. The only time I would need a transition is going to another universe. So this is interesting. I'm gonna have to figure it out because, like, it's not playing nice with the star initializer. Oh, I gotta figure that out. But to be fair, it's not bad even so. Okay, so pin, pin, pin. Pin, 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 pin. Pin, pin. So we have this here, this here. X, Y, Z. The star in this one, it actually worked. It's like it's working sometimes. This is further than I thought I would get tonight. Okay, let's look at the star while we do it. Wait for everything to load. Everything's done. So, like, I don't see really a reason why I couldn't put up a little warpy tunnel for you to fly through. Or reduce your speed drastically, your top speed, and do this in the background. The only thing I gotta figure out is the star spawn. It's obviously not behaving correctly. I know why. I know why. It's overlapped. It's overlapped, so... Current solar system. UE5 on destroy.
This video is sponsored. Hit. So we're gonna go event. Do this, so that the ball need an explosion. That's obviously in the starter content. If you don't have that,
I see. So if I go to solar system, which one is it? Jesus Christ. Close this. Downsize this. Okay. Solar system. So don't actually need these here. On destroy. Why does it do this? It's so fucking annoying. Stop. Okay. Destroy the star when this is destroyed, and then save space when solar system is destroyed. Destroy the initializer. And that should be drilling all the way down. Oh my god, it's so fucking sweet. It got a little bit of artifacting there. I think I think I triggered it before it had snapped the picture. We're in space, as it should be. Once the picture's been snapped, we hit it again, we warp. Oh my fucking god, this is fucking cool. And the fact that I can do it without a load screen is even better, because I can do whatever I want with the player. Star? No star. Nebulas? Some nebulas. And some light nebulating. I mean, I'll find... Oh, there's one. Oh, that looks sick. Oh, that's sick. Oh, it's fucking sick. Another one. I mean, it just reliably works, which is sweet. Another one. Another one. This one's a little too intense, I think, but... Well, I don't know. It's alright. Another one. Another one. Another one. This is great. Another one. Can I find a star though? I want a star. And now I gotta get, okay. I got everything back online. I got everything working like exactly the way I want it. I pretty much know how I'm gonna do my level transitions now, because this is like a lot better than having to load a different level. I don't have to load a different level at all. I just spawn a different solar system, boom, done. And takes like maybe 5 to 10 seconds. And so in the game, like, I don't want warping between stars to be instant. Like, it's definitely going to take more than 10 seconds to go between stars. So, like, 10 seconds is fine. I can put the user in a little bubble where I control what they see. And in the meantime, I can do one of these to any location in the galaxy. And by the time they come out of the bubble, all this shit will be loaded. Ooh, ooh. That's a pretty star. Oh yeah, because they wouldn't have one if it was on a star system with no star. So every time I was warping to a star system with no star or warping out of one, it would have been destroying. I'm gonna have to start putting serious thought into a spaceship model. This shit is cool. Oh my god. It's a big boy. And we'll randomize a spot to put the player into, like, because, like, they could fly. As it stands, you could fly really far away and then warp to another system and not be able to even find the star. I'll do some kind of hackery to make it so that once they pass a certain distance, they won't be able to, like, I'll slow them down or something in that vector. Or maybe I won't. This is so fucking sweet. It's like it works so much easier than I thought it was gonna be. I thought this was gonna be like a multi-day process. Like, how am I gonna fucking manage loading in a new solar system at runtime in real time? Like, how am I gonna do that with what I want to do, like a new little game mode where you gotta fly through a tunnel? But like, it's gonna be easy because I can just spawn the tunnel, and once the player enters it, I can trigger the level load. Ooh, the pink star. I changed the randomization for background and foreground, or for background colors in the skybox, and for store colors to pull from a set of hot or cool colors instead of a set of all the colors, because things like a pink core with a green shell doesn't look good, but a pink core with a pink shell looks good, or a green core with green. So anyway, I built two sets of like basically not exhaustive, but there's like 12 colors that cover like a range, and I warped two of them, so it basically covers any warm or cool color for the background of this. And I must say that it is working magnificently. I have interstellar travel. Go see this little guy. Whew, okay. I finally, okay, so source control this shit. Hot and cool color. Colors. Basic level transition. Basic system transition. Submit. It's in. Locked and loaded. Here's our 0 star. Familiar with this guy. gotta be careful with that. It can actually fuck up the load texture or the background texture if you, because there's like a whole series of things. It takes about, let's say, max 10 seconds after I do this before it's ready to really use. You can tell when the stars disappear, the second set of stars. Because like the reason that's happening is that we're offset from the center. Like I've got the player at like 6 million or something on the x-axis, so that you're not inside the sun if a sun stars. But the cube map is currently being snapped from dead center, so there's a shift in the stars when it takes it, but it doesn't matter because it's still relative to the rest of the space. Like everything is relative, right? You're just at a different rotation in the local space then. Different rotation location. Ooh. Lighting and exponential fog is next. I haven't updated my design, my like rudimentary design document in a minute. Boyd's plan. There she is. Okay, let's see how far we are. This is done. This isn't ready yet. Takes a coordinate, transitions, level, transitions, solar, system to coordinate. Well, device. These are done. Fix scene lighting in star and starless scenes. Fix volumetric fog for both scenes. That's next on the menu. I fucking unhooked all the fucking lighting that I did while I was doing this because it was getting in the way of me figuring out what values were correct and whatnot. This is gonna be probably it for me for the night. I feel like this is insane progress. We basically have interstellar travel now, which is just kind of nuts considering it only took like an hour to do or less. Boop. You got different volumes of nebula and such in each system. Galaxy map. Ooh, galaxy map. Yeah. That's gonna be one. That's gonna be fun. Hold up. Let me update my document. Emulate 2D is done. Procedural nebulae 3D is not though. Galaxy Map Mark 1. Level transition mini game. This shit is nuts, man. I can't believe this shit. Bananas. B-A-N-A-N. Bananas. Where are we going? Where are we going? B-A-N bananas. B-A-N banana. Nana. Banana. Banana. Sick. Fucking sick. Way cooler than I thought I would be able to accomplish when I started on this. Shit, I did the fucking sun textures with procedural noise too. I could probably fucking pimp it out with some high res noise. Oh man, that's a task for way off in the future though. Okay, that's kind of an issue though. Is it the sky map intersecting? Because I did see some of that. I'm gonna need, okay, so local star distance x brightness multiplier local star dimmer then star map stars. Should put this in source control. It's like my scrum board slash rough plan. Source control. Source control. Source control. Source control. Control. Source control. New folder. Documents folder. Does that load as a part of the project by any chance? No. Source tree me, source tree. No, I did all this from scratch, motherfucker. All of this shit from scratch. Refactor hell. Commit content. Commit. Commit. Yeah. Do 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 do. Yeah. They're important. Yeah. They're important. Yeah. They're important. Yeah. They're important. Committing, adding PNG noise textures for the nebulae and the plan document. La 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 la. With that, we're done. Done for the night. I don't even have to level transition, which is insane. I don't have to go between levels. That means I can do any kind of game I want for the warp without a problem. Oh my goodness, that's a big star. We can take the lessons learned from the nebula stuff and improve the stars too, because like I did those with like low resolution engine noise, and I have the ability to make really sick noise textures now with GIMP. I'm so glad I added the warm colors. It looks great. Let's go somewhere else. There's no star here. No star here. Got a nice pink star here. Yellowy green star here. We back on the warm color side of things. I need to increase, like, I have a damper on how fast you can turn when you're going fast, and it's kind of annoying, to be honest. Like, I added it. I could take it out and turn at the same rate at all times, but I fucking added it. Man, it's great. You get, like, these little one-off fucking nebulas. Holy shit. It's brilliant. Nice black space here. Bananas. Oh, there's a star. So it'll be easier to tell there's a star when I get the exponential height fog and everything in here and get them tuned up, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be scene lighting, because I completely fucked my scene lighting when I was doing all this stuff. implemented random warp to 1 out of 250 million cubed positions that may or may not have stars, and will all have different nebulas. Well, that's not true. These will repeat every 22 billion systems or so. Every 22 billion coordinates so in the cube, you would get a duplicate. You would start getting series of duplicates. Because my randomizer isn't really the kind of... Like, I need a randomizer with a 64-bit seed. Maybe Marketplace? 64-bit seed. I could probably write it in Unreal. I mean, not in Unreal. I could probably write it in C++ too. I do want to see if because like if I can just get that, then I could replace my randomization seed with like real randomization, and then I would really have integer 64 max potentials, which would be insane. Let's do some stuff. Let's do some fucking stuff. 64-bit seed. 64-bit seed. PRNG. Okay, so there's answers. Like what I have now regarding the randomization is good, but I can make it better with a 64-bit seeded PRNG. I just have to find a library that does it or write one. And the math isn't like insane for it, so I would probably be able to write it myself if I can't find a free library. Should I order more white? Maybe? I don't know. They look good. You can maybe bump the lerp white up like a notch. It's actually in Solar System, huh? Right here. do like this, we get closer to realistic star colors, less cartoony, more realistic. It pushes them towards white. Ominous system. Oh wait, no, never mind. I am close to the edge, though, of the system, I think. When you start getting areas of black space, so like, oh shit, space, target system X, Y, Z, save file, can I do this? So I guess my question is, can I, so if I go back out here and click this, how do I, like it says that I can promote from here these three, but I don't know where I can access it. Right? I don't need these. I mean, I do need this one. Q5 set level variables. For my main map in the level blueprint, I set 3 different places for spawn thanks to the target points. I would like the information where the spawn occurs to be past the game mode variable in your level blueprint for game mode. Then you create a get game mode node. These 2 videos.
Hello, my name is Mark Matorchuk from markon3d.com and Aussies and Drum.
Yep. Alright, well for now, we're spawning the player at 0. Eventually, I'll have it persist. Clip, clip, clip. Load. Load. Load, load. It's gonna be weird and fucked up. So obviously, you gotta be careful with how you gate this, because you don't want the player spamming it a bunch of times. But it's gonna be gated. Like I can already kind of like in my mind's eye see how this can work. Warp transitions are going to be a lot of fun. Alright, that's it for me for tonight. Good progress.